Tesla's Giga Shanghai factory's second phase of construction has entered a roofing stage. That means they're building the roof of the second phase of Tesla's Giga Shanghai. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com. A YouTuber, Wuwa, who is known for his Giga Shanghai Phase 2 chronicling, has posted a new video 2 hours ago showing that the second phase of Phase 2 of the construction of Tesla's Giga Shanghai has entered a decisive phase, the roofing stage, where we can see from the images that the roof of the Phase 2 is being built. This is amazing progress. This is amazing how fast Tesla and the Chinese construction workers and engineers have built the second phase of Giga Shanghai. You know, the Gigafactory Shanghai, I think, is going to be one of Tesla's global flagship factories. It's not the biggest because Giga Berlin is bigger than Giga Shanghai, but again, Giga Shanghai in many ways have become like a flagship place, like a meter, a measurement. We have many times, and many of you in this channel and Torque News channel have measured the speed of Giga Berlin compared to the Phase 2 of Giga Shanghai and Phase 1, although Giga Berlin is going a little faster than Giga Shanghai. But again, Giga Shanghai, especially the Phase 2, has become a global flagship factory. It's great to see large number of Model 3s around the plant and so many car carriers loaded up, ready to go, as you can see from the images that are accompanying this record. And I think with the Tesla Model 3 made in China will be coming off the production line before year end. I want to make special thank you for Wuwa. As usual, Wuwa has provided a really great footage in his reporting. Wuwa, if you are watching this, know that you are providing important information for many people, for many Tesla owners and Tesla supporters who see Tesla as a shining bright spot on our planet in terms of renewable cars that ride with renewable energy. Of course, the most important part of your videos are the regular updates on the progress of the Giga Shanghai factory, especially the Phase 2. Besides that, it is also very interesting to see special details like a variety of approaches to the factory work detail, like the segment you had on spray painting recently, and visual of how the cranes and human positioning equipment work. Your filming is very creative and informative. Thank you very much on behalf of me and our Torque News community. It is amazing to see how much progress has been made in a single week. If you remember my and Wuva's and others last week's report, I think Phase 2 is going really fast, and I'm excited to see this progress. Now, you know, on a recent news related to Giga Shanghai, China's Vice President of Foreign Affairs, Grace Tao, gave an extensive update to Giga Shanghai's production rate, Phase 2 progress, and how the company has evolved in this virus-affected work environment. In an interview with Chinese media outlet Xinhua, Tao described Giga Shanghai's projected production rate of June, along with the introduction of the Model Y in China, made in China Model Y. Tao stated Giga Shanghai operation is going smoothly and may reach a 4,000 vehicles per week production rate as early as June. The figure of 4,000 Model 3s being rolled off production lines in Shanghai will help the company reach its anticipated annual production rate of 200,000 electric cars a year, exceeding its prior expectations of 150,000 units annually, around 3,000 Model 3s a week. In contrast, only the first phase of the Chinese production facility is built, and you see now we have the decisive part of the second phase, where we see the roofing being built. The company has also been forced to adapt to a new world that is dealing with the massive this virus situation. Considering the virus's origins in the Asian country, Giga Shanghai would have been a prime candidate for an extended shutdown. But the facility, the factory, was only closed for around a week, and reopened on February 10. An extended playbook that described safety and health procedures for employees at Giga Shanghai has been increasingly effective in keeping workers safe and production rates steady. The Chinese operation manual details how Tesla's Chinese operation manual details how people can remain safe amidst the virus and was the basis for Tesla's return to work playbook that was written to describe safe procedures for the Fremont factory's reopening. Outside of the factory, Tesla stores have adapted to the new process of showing the company's production to prospective owners. Tao stated that Tesla's internet site had become a mainstay in keeping the company's sales healthy. At the same time, in-store experiences are crucial for introducing new product experiences and showing new features with the company's cars. For example, Tesla just released its white Model 3 interior in China, while virtually anyone with an internet connection can see what it looks like. The stores allow interested buyers in seeing the interior color in person, determining whether the origin is right, whether the option is right for them. Tao stated that Tesla plans to expand its stores, which he refers to as experience centers, Tesla experience centers, Tesla wants to expand these experience centers into new territories based on the expansion of customer base in different cities. Despite the overwhelming infection in China, Tesla has adopted and established itself as an outlier in a falling automotive sector. The company just reduced the price of its base Model 3 to qualify for government incentives, making the vehicle even more affordable and more demanded in an already strong market. More demanded because, remember, in the first week of May, Tesla Model 3 vehicles were getting more than 1,000 orders per day on Tesla's website, despite the sales being little slow in April, which was across the board. Well, friends, it's very exciting to see Tesla building the second phase of construction, that entering the roofing stage. I think more exciting news is coming from China, Tesla, and Giga Berlin as well, and we're waiting for the news to come from Tesla's possible next Terafactory, Cybertruck Terafactory, possibly going to, I think, Austin, so far being more favorite than Tulsa. In the same time, if you're watching our channel and daily, there is no news today from Giga Berlin, as there is a holiday in Germany, and Giga Berlin is in holiday week, kind of holiday weekend. You know, tomorrow we all celebrate, Christians celebrate the ascension of our Lord Jesus Christ, and Germany is in holiday, so that's a good thing. We will all celebrate, and I'll see you in our